Typically, the middle schoolers might know about 2 or 3 different careers, and really that revolves around what the people in their family do for a living, and they don't understand that there really are endless opportunities. Junior Achievement believes that every student has the ability to be successful. So I want the middle schoolers to understand when they leave here that their career pathway impacts their income, which changes the kind of lifestyle they're able to have as an adult. What excites me is I like seeing the magic happen when they start to understand that, oh, my interests and my abilities, they affect what kind of career that I should have as an adult. They learn a lot of soft skills about how to work as a team, how to communicate, how to speak to each other.
One of the things about Junior Achievement that we hear all the time from our students is that they start to build their confidence and their self-esteem and their self-worth. That is how our children are learning.
In one of our storefronts, we utilize virtual reality. So instead of us having to physically take them to an automotive shop, they're able to stay right here in our building. We're trying to help the students realize that technology is not here to replace anyone. It's not here to replace jobs. It's not here to replace humans.
These young people will use technologies like AI and VR. We have a responsibility to make sure that we keep JA World and the simulations that happen here relevant for these children.
Really, we're trying to teach them that technology can enhance what you're doing in your career. So we're trying to teach them that connection of understanding how to utilize technology to really help you achieve your own goals.